And I went to Sutherland because it's known to go and watch stars and see what it looks like when there's no city lights and extra lights. It's 400 kilometers away from Cape Town, but it's also cold this time, lots of snow. And that's the impressive SALT. They call it the SALT. It's the South African Large Telescope, and you can see why they say it's the large telescope. It's all of 11 meters by 10 meters wide, so it's a massive telescope looking up into the sky. That's 16 kilometers away from Sutherland, and that is the planetarium that is in Sutherland. It looks small, but it can host 30 people, and you can watch a 3D astronomy show there as well. They also have 11 and 14-inch telescopes. So you can gaze into the sky there, quite open there, and it's quite distant. It's in the Karoo. It's 400 kilometers from Cape Town. It's 1,790 meters above sea level, so it's a perfect place to go there. Book a quiet bed and breakfast there. Enjoy what you can see from the stars. But now, when you go there now, it's going to be cold as well. But it's also beautiful. They might get snow there as well. But a beautiful place to visit. And that planetarium is open 7 days a week. So it's a good tourism spot. So